Alright, you guys, in Ross, so we have Grinch blow mold. Look at him if you're interested. He is $29.99. I want to say maybe, is he the same price in Walmart? I don't think this is gonna grow anymore, but 18. I feel like it's already tall, but I feel like that could get tiny too. These are $12.99 on the stuffed deer. The mice, a couple. Let's see, we got a cute penguin in the back, made in the Philippines. That is 18. There's some homes down here, kind of like ceramic gingerbread homes. 10, and of course they will light up. They all light up. Okay. Here is Santa. These are $11.99 in the sack. There's a gingerbread one too, a large one, and they have these at Lowe's and Home Depot. Snoopy. These are $15.99, and this one will light up. We've seen plenty of these in Home Goods. They're $17. A little more ceramic. It's a gingerbread house. Come down here, looks like a lot of candles. $3.99 on the tree. Cute snowman one. I like the snowman. That one is $5.99. Oh, we got one black velvet. That's 10, and it has something really similar in TJ Maxx. $8.99. These are $10.99. Icicles. They have candy canes. Here's a Grinch nutcracker. Okay, that's kind of cool. I haven't seen a nutcracker yet. But that's going to be $21.99. And right here, $8.99 on these. And a Mickey and Minnie, you guys, are $21.99. Actually, let me double check. Yeah, $21.99. Trying to make sure it's not $12.99. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. Large bells over here. They are $25. These are kind of cool. I do like them. $15 for that wreath. Look at Donald. He's cute. Now these wicker basket presents. $12.99 for large. $8.99 and $5.99. Then it looks like that's Halloween. We have some tags here. Bows, holiday bows, and that is $3.99, and there is a gold one in the back. Tinsel, $5.99. Wow, remember this stuff used to be really cheap? $5.99 for tinsel? It's kind of crazy. $20 for Santa. We got a snowman. And this large guy down here is $59.99. Looks like they're going to fill in these tables. There's another Ross down the street I'm going to go to. $15. And of course it will light up. You can find those in Home Goods as well. Oh, and it shimmers the glitter. Kind of reminds me of the ones from Costco that do that. But you get like two. Sorry. You get two.
I like how they have the motor.
Yeah. Let me go around. More Santa.
I think they should make like nice snow globes like that too.
This one's cute.
Yeah,
I feel like I could paint the cheeks a little more like vintagey.
rosy.
Yeah, 17. But I like that vintage type of vibe going on. Okay, I made it into a new Ross location. So we have these large cones here. So 20, like for these medium size. And if you want the very tall ones, they will be 28. There's like a medium large, 23 in the back. I've never seen them this big. 23. And the very tall one in the back I don't know where I would put this. Is 28. We just saw him in a different location in the previous video. I'm trying to combine all the Rosses together because they only have like so much, you know. This train is 80. Let me get a little closer. Okay, what do we have? We have the bear, the birds. These are 9. Pretty sure all of them are going to be 9. It's the candy cane one. And the house one. Okay. Placemats are like cork. Tablecloth, water spill resistant, $10.99. And here is a few kitchen stuff. Let me bring it up here, away from the train. Taking up every room. Believe in magic. I think they're all the same. Yep. They are 8. This one is a little different. It says joy on it. Birds, and then Santa's workshop. Okay, that's kind of cute. Okay, we have ornaments. I think these are shatterproof. There's 7. And the Grinch one. There is mushroom by North Spruce Lane, and that is 5. Here's the peppermint. You get 3. You get tree picks in here. Okay, and they are $8.99. They're quite a bit actually. Let me pull this bad boy out. 3 again, and that is $10.99. The presents, they do light up here. They're gonna be $16.99. I feel like that's supposed to blow. Oh, look at these purple. These are glass, so you have to make sure they don't break. They're $8.99 on the glass one. Nice purple one. There's quite a few glass ornaments. Here is the gold. We used to have glass ornaments when I was a kid, and we didn't have an issue with everything dropping like now, which is kind of weird. We were always careful. Nobody would climb the trees, but we didn't have pets growing up, so $8 here. I think that's why a lot of people buy shatterproof. 35 for that large bell. We got Santa, my man here. He is a 35. More bells, the all matte black one. We saw those in the previous video. Kind of like a wood tree. That one's very interesting. Here's some snowman. I really want to see some kitchen. $12.99. This is a 20. We just saw the Mickey Mouse one. Those are 22. And this guy right here, he's 20. 20 for a tall one. And we have that one in the back, and more nutcrackers. Here's a little home. 13. That's another one. Oh gosh, these are full of glitter. $12.99. It looks like a red tin train. So that's 35. It's a small one. Cute little snowman down there. There is some crystal trees. We could find these in Home Goods as well. 17. And a tiny one. They got the black velvet here too. These are $12.99 with their star. And the black velvet is 10. Okay. That says joy on it. Snowman, a tree skirt. Oh, these are different. They're 7. And they come with like a little critter friend, an owl. It's like a little fox back there. That's gonna make noise. The disco ball candle. These are 5. Disco ball is in. Candles, more candles. Hey, that came from Big Lots. They have something just like that. How much is that? 17. Look at this large peppermint candle. I wish it would smell, but it doesn't. Don't see a price on that. I feel like they're supposed to do something. Oh, it don't work. But glitter, 15. They have the tree one. There we go. And that is 18. The wooden tree is 14. More Santa. 14. Icicles here. Washable rugs. The Grinch. What's that? Santa, my man. This is $11.99 here. The pathway lights. They only get 3 though. Okay, I made it into Didi's. This is what they have. Okay. This, let's see. This one is $12.99. Here we go. $12.99. More tree candles are 4. Ooh. They have an inflatable snowman. $12.99. That doggy might be one too. Little lights are $2. $5.99. The light, they do light up though. They do light up. These are $5. And look at these are red. Okay. They're clips. They're $5. And white as well. Here's like a tree. A tree here. 5 foot. Let's see if I can find a price for that. Come on. Is it on top? No. Let me see if it's on bottom. Ugh. I have to turn it around. Hold on. Turn it around town. Nope, it's not there. But this one's $35. You get 3 presents. They do light up. Okay, a lot of like greenery. $12.99. Tabletop decor. 7. Here's mini presents. $2.99. I think I just said that. Oh yeah. $12.99 right here. They do light up. Glitter in my eye. $5.99 for the tree. We have a wreath right here. Just a tiny. That's 10. It's a table runner. I'm trying to see if they had like beauty sets or something here. What do we have? A nativity scene. That's $11.99. Merry Christmas. Kind of like a gingerbread style going on. That is gonna be 8. Oh my gosh. We have the tree trio. 8. A little nativity scene full of glitter. There's cherries. We got Santa holding a candy cane, you know. He always has a candy cane. $5.99. And here's like a little waffle cone. $5.99 here. Okay, $3.99. Little pearl present going on. $5.99. Oops, sorry.
Here.
That says peace on it. Do you see any more Christmas lying around? Tons of candles.
Kind of hit it. It was all right up front here.
This one is different. That is $5. I think there's like pajamas and stuff. We'll continue to look around. Look at that. That's $7. Yeah, each Ross I was going to was different. And there's some makeup bags though. $11.99. It's like hearts, flower. $5.99. It's a lot of makeup. I don't really see much of like makeup kits yet. Like this Paris Hilton could be one. Talc free. The $8 right here. Pro Contour Face Palette. Grinch pajamas. $10.99 for a child. Now if you want the adult, it's gonna be $20. Wow, I feel like that's kind of pricey. $20. Look at this plaid one. They got plaid. A lot of these wraps here. $25. It does have a zipper. That looks like something I see people wear at the zoo at night because they're trying to bundle up. $10.99. Let's see. Here is some bedding. a little bit of Christmas bedding here. Looks like $23. There is a green with snowflakes down there. And a gingerbread cowboy. I definitely need something like I need a Western Santa. I do have one, like a Charlie Daniel one that moves. We just keep it out. 20. And I saw more Christmas around here. I gotta walk around the store. Okay, a few more bedding. Looks like for children, $8, like for a twin. This one's a gamer remote with like a Santa hat on it. Little doggy one. A few dog toys. Okay, it looks like this is the last table here in DD's. $8.99 for that tree. Santa, this doggy is $19.20 for this tree right here. Oh, look at this like wired one. $12.99. Pretty sure you put like lights in there. Let me zoom in. They also have like this gold one. And the presents, oh, they do have lights. Okay, $5.99 in the DD's, and this is all they have for Christmas. I'm still trying to find out how much this tree is. Oh, $25. So you know that white one we saw earlier? They have like a skinny one. You know, I know a lot of people don't have a lot of room. My grandma did this. She would get a tree like this and put it like on top of a table in her living room. Yeah. $25 here.
Sometimes it stays year round.
Yeah, my grandma left it. Here's a gingerbread table runner.
I think it was your aunt that did it.
Maybe $7. And look at this gingerbread one. It has gingerbread at the bottom. That is kind of cute here. And that is $11.99. This one I do like because it's like vintage vibe. Bells, which I think I have something like this at home. Little tassel. $7. We have snowman people at the bottom. That's $11.99 as well. And look at this one. The sequin all glittered out. That is $10. And oh, look at this one. Finding some cute stuff in here. That is $11.99. Look at on the other side. It's like Santa. You got the moose. And then it's just Halloween here. Alright. Alright, you guys. That is going to do it for DD's. There was nothing new in handbag department. It's just a lot of juicy hair. A lot of it we've seen before, which you could definitely find in Burlington. Alright, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.